Hey, hi, hello everyone. Today we are gonna see a new beginning to our channel. That is, we are gonna continuously solve Leetcode problems and how efficiently we can do it. All we can do through Python. Hope everyone likes Python. Yeah, nowadays it's actually trending. Without any further ado, let's just dive into one of the Python solutions, which is marked in Leetcode. Yeah, whoever just land to this video for a solution, yeah, here it is. So you can just mark it. Whoever needs a explanation for this problem can just wait and watch the whole video. So this is a solution for longer substring without repeating a character, which is a medium based question. So it's not so tough and it's not easy also. So with a few thinking, you can easily crack it. I can get into the question. This question is about, given a string and find the longest substring without a repeating character. See, you can see ABC, ABC, and BB. So here ABC is repeating, and again ABC is repeating, and B is in the substring. So we should not count it. So likewise, ABC is the three letters that is repeating without any repeating characters. Okay, here you can see B, 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 B. So B is repeating more than one, so only one character which has longer substring, that is B only. In this is a tricky input, B W W K E W. So in this case P is one P W, and again the W came, so 2 now 2 is a longer substring, so again count from W K E, and again W is come, so it should not be taken. So here W K E is the longest substring. So I hope everyone understands the questions. If not, just leave your questions in the description so I can answer your questions. So here is my solution to that problem. What I did is I just given element and largest. So the element will store what are the non-repeating substrings. You got my point? So element will have whatever the the yes which contains the string. So here whatever I am storing in element is, element will contain non-repeating characters. So what the largest will be contained? Largest will be contains the maximum number of non-repeating characters. I hope you got it. So I am just iterating through the string, and with that string, what we are doing here, if for example, let's take the else case first. If the element which will not contain the k, k is something from, yes, for example, p w w k means first it will take the p will be stored in k. So it will not be in element, you got it right. So element will be empty, so initialized here as empty. So p is not in element, it will come to else part. What we'll do first, the element will contain p, we are adding p in the element. So now when we calculate the largest is 0 first, and the length of element will be the 1. So now what largest will be contained? Largest will contain number 1 as a value now. So again it will iterate through w, you got it right. So it will check in the if class. So whether w is in the element, no, element will have only p, you got it right. So again it will come here and add the element. So now the element will contain p and w. Now I hope you remember the largest will contain 1. So now the length of element will be 2. So what is the value of largest now? obviously it will be 2, right? So here comes the tricky part. So when it takes the third element w, it will k will contain the w whether the k is in element or not. It is there because element will contain p and w. Now w is in element, yes, it is there. So what I'm doing, I'm adding the next w over here. So now the element will contain p w w, and what I'm doing, I'm just, you got it right, I'm just slicing from the whatever the element we found. So whenever I'm slicing, now it will contain, after this it will contain only w. Next it will take k value. If you didn't understand what I will do here, after this I'll just you print, so you will clearly understand what the element will be containing on the each and every step. I'm just running this code, hope you will see. Yes, my test case is pwwk only. Here you can see. So see, first k is p, this we understand, and then pw. When it comes to the third w, what I'm adding, I'm adding element to w, and I'm slashing with the slicing with w. So the index of w will be 0 1, so plus 1 I'm taking from 2. So second will be w, so I'm storing element as w, and then again it will take the k, it will add the k, and then it will take the e and it will add the e. When it comes to next w, I'm just slicing the w, and kew will be present. So the longest substring will be either wke or kew. The 3 is the answer. I hope everyone got the solutions. If you have any doubt or any clarification is needed, just post your question in the description. I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. Okay. Bye bye everyone. Happy coding.